Vector. In order to depict the position of an object in a plane, a suitable reference point can be chosen, such as origin O in the Cartesian coordinate system. Consider point A as the initial position of an object at time t in xy plane. Join point A with the origin O with a straight line having an arrowhead at point A. The arrowed line OA represents the position vector of the object at point A at time t. A position vector is generally represented by vector r. The magnitude of the position vector r is equal to the length of the arrowed line OA. If the object at point A is displaced from its position to new point A dash, then the position vector of object at time t dash is represented by arrowed line OA dash or vector r dash. The difference in the position of the points A and A dash joined with the line segment having arrow towards point A dash is called the displacement vector of the object in time interval t dash minus t. Displacement vector is a straight line path joining the initial and final position. However, displacement vector does not depend on the actual path covered by the object between the two positions. It may be noted that in representation of position or displacement vectors, the arrowhead and tail depict its definite position. Let's now go through some other fundamental vectors. Negative vector. The vector minus p vector having same magnitude as that of a given vector p, but directed or drawn along just the opposite direction to that of the given vector, is referred to as a negative vector. Collinear vectors. The vectors having equal or unequal magnitudes, but directed along the parallel lines either on the same line or in the same direction or in opposite direction, are referred to as collinear vectors. Co-initial vectors. The vectors having common initial point are referred to as co-initial vectors. Coplanar vectors. The vectors lying in the same plane are referred to as coplanar vectors. Equal vectors. The vectors having equal magnitude and directed in the same direction are referred to as equal vectors. Unequal vectors. The vectors having unequal magnitudes and or not directed in the same directions are referred to as unequal vectors.